Best track saws. Are you looking for the best track saws? In this video we will look at 5 of the best track saws on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Festool Plunge Cut Track Saw TS55. The Festool 577014 TS55 FEQF Plus FS is a high-performance plunge cut track saw designed for precision cutting in various materials such as wood, plywood, MDF, and even aluminum. This saw is particularly favored by professionals for its accuracy, smooth operation, and reliability. The saw comes with a 55-inch guide rail, which ensures straight, precise cuts with minimal effort. The combination of the saw and guide rail enables users to perform plunge cuts, bevel cuts, and rip cuts with ease. One standout feature of the TS55 FEQF Plus FS is its advanced dust extraction system. When connected to a compatible Festool dust extractor, the saw reduces dust accumulation around the work area, providing cleaner results and a healthier work environment. The saw's power is driven by a 1,200-watt motor, offering ample cutting speed and torque for demanding tasks. It also features an electronic speed control for consistent performance, especially during various cuts. The saw's plunge action is smooth, allowing for controlled starts without splintering or damaging the material being cut. Its adjustable depth setting provides versatility, while the saw can also tilt up to 47 degrees for angled cuts. The saw's ergonomic design, with rubberized handles and a lightweight frame, makes it comfortable for extended use. It also includes the fast fix system for quick blade changes without the need for tools. The TS55 FEQF Plus FS is highly regarded for its build quality, ease of use, and the ability to make fine, accurate cuts on site. It's an ideal choice for professional woodworkers, contractors, and DIY enthusiasts who require precision and a dust-free cutting experience. Number 2. Evolution Multi-Material Cutting Circular Track Saw Kit. The Evolution Power Tools or 185 CCSX Plus is a versatile 7-1/4 multi-material circular track saw kit designed to cut through a wide range of materials with ease and precision. Ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts, the saw is equipped with a powerful 15-amp motor that delivers up to 3,700 RPM, making it suitable for cutting through wood, metal, plastic, and masonry. The saw features a carbide-tipped blade designed for clean, smooth cuts and improved durability across different materials. One of the standout features of the R185 CCSX Plus is its multi-material cutting capability. Unlike traditional circular saws that are limited to cutting wood, this tool is engineered to handle a variety of materials, including mild steel, aluminum, and plastics, without the need for blade changes. This feature saves time and increases efficiency on the job site. The saw includes a 24-tooth blade that offers a clean cut with minimal burrs or rough edges, making it especially useful for professionals working with metal or composite materials. It also comes with a 6-foot track, providing enhanced stability and precision during cuts. The track system ensures that users achieve straight, accurate cuts with less effort. Additionally, the saw features a dust extraction port that helps keep the work area cleaner and improves visibility during operation. For added convenience, the Evolution R185 CCSX Plus comes with a durable carrying bag, making it easy to transport the saw and track system to and from job sites. The saw's ergonomic handle and lightweight design reduce user fatigue, making it comfortable for extended use. Overall, the Evolution R185 CCSX Plus circular track saw is a highly functional and efficient tool, perfect for users who need a reliable, multi-purpose saw that can handle a variety of materials and deliver precise results. Number 3. Makita SP6000J1 Plunge Circular Saw Kit. The Makita SP6000J1 6-1/2 Plunge Circular Saw Kit is a high-quality tool designed for precision cutting, making it ideal for woodworkers, contractors, and DIY enthusiasts. This saw features a powerful 12-amp motor that provides smooth, efficient cuts through various materials, including wood, plywood, and MDF. The 6.1/2 blade size strikes a balance between cutting capacity and maneuverability, making it perfect for detailed, controlled cuts. A standout feature of the SP6000J1 is its plunge cut mechanism, which allows users to start cutting in the middle of the material without any need for pre-cuts. This function is particularly useful for creating internal openings or making cuts in tight spaces. The saw also boasts an adjustable depth control that offers flexibility, enabling users to make shallow cuts or cut deeper for thicker materials. The saw includes a 55-inch guide rail that ensures straight, accurate cuts every time. This rail system eliminates the need for freehand cutting, providing added stability and precision during operation. The anti-slip design of the rail keeps it firmly in place while the saw moves smoothly along its path. The rail is compatible with other Makita guide rails, enhancing the system's versatility. The SP6000J1 kit also comes with a stackable tool case, providing convenient storage and easy portability. The carrying case is designed for durability and organization, allowing you to keep the saw and accessories neatly stored and protected during transport. With its ergonomic handle, the Makita SP6000J1 offers comfortable control and reduces fatigue during extended use. It also features a dust extraction port that helps maintain a cleaner workspace by connecting to a vacuum, improving visibility and air quality. Overall, the Makita SP6000J1 is a reliable, precise, and efficient plunge circular saw, ideal for anyone seeking high-quality results in their cutting projects. Number 4. Makita XPS01 PTJ 18V Cordless Plunge Circular Saw Kit. The Makita XPS01 PTJ 18V X2LXT Lithium-ion 36V brushless cordless 6.1/2 plunge circular saw kit offers outstanding performance and portability, making it a great choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who require precise cuts on the go. Powered by two 18V LXT lithium-ion batteries, this saw delivers the power of a 36V tool, providing consistent, high-performance cutting without the limitations of cords. The brushless motor increases efficiency, extending battery life while reducing maintenance. With its 6.1/2 blade, the XPS01 PTJ is designed for smooth, precise plunge cuts, allowing users to start cuts anywhere on the material. The saw features a depth adjustment mechanism, which enables users to make cuts from 0 to 2.1/4 deep, providing versatility for different applications. The ergonomic handle and lightweight design reduce user fatigue, ensuring comfortable use during extended cutting tasks. While the saw does not come with a guide rail in the kit, it is compatible with the Makita 199,140/039-inch guide rail, sold separately, which enhances cutting precision by offering straight, accurate cuts along the material. This guide rail system ensures users can achieve professional-grade results, especially when working with larger projects or needing consistent, clean cuts. Additionally, the XPS01 PTJ features an integrated dust port that connects to a vacuum, helping maintain a cleaner workspace by reducing airborne dust. The saw's battery-powered design makes it a highly portable tool, suitable for job sites where access to power outlets is limited. Overall, the Makita XPS01 PTJ is an excellent cordless plunge circular saw, offering powerful performance, portability, and precision for a variety of cutting tasks. It's an ideal choice for users who need reliable, consistent performance without being tethered to a cord. Number 5. Bosch 6.5-inch track saw with plunge action. The Bosch GKT13-225L61/2 precision track saw is a high-performance tool designed for precision cutting with plunge action, making it ideal for professional woodworkers, contractors, and DIY enthusiasts. Known for its smooth, accurate cuts, this saw is equipped with a 6.1/2-inch blade, capable of making deep, clean cuts in materials such as wood, plywood, MDF, and laminate. Its plunge cut functionality allows for easy start-in-the-middle cuts, eliminating the need for pre-cuts or marking, which is especially useful when working with sheet goods. One of the standout features of the GKT13-225L is its precision and stability, enhanced by the Bosch guide rail system, sold separately. The rail ensures straight, accurate cuts with minimal effort, providing users with the confidence to tackle large or intricate cutting projects. The saw's precision is further bolstered by its anti-kickback mechanism and a low-profile design that allows for better control and smoother operation. The GKT13-225L is powered by a robust 13-amp motor, which offers the strength needed to handle tough materials while maintaining a consistent cutting speed. The saw includes a beveling feature, allowing users to make bevel cuts up to 47 degrees, providing additional versatility for various applications. Additionally, the tool features an integrated dust collection system that helps maintain a cleaner work environment by reducing airborne dust when connected to a vacuum. For added convenience, the Bosch GKT13-225L comes with a durable carrying case, offering easy storage and portability. The case helps keep the saw and accessories organized, making it easy to transport the tool between job sites. Overall, the Bosch GKT13-225L track saw is an excellent choice for those looking for a powerful, precise, and easy-to-use tool for making high-quality cuts.